The first step to claiming your night tokens using your Trezor is to head over to Midnight's website. We will have it pinned in the comments below as well as in the description of this video. Hit claim now. Now you're going to start your new claim. And then you're going to select your blockchain. We're going to select Cardano. And here we're going to use a browser wallet. I'm using Yoroi. So Yoroi is very unique for this claim. So we're going to open it up. You guys will notice an airdrop tab, but it says Trezor is not supported. However, with this method, you can claim using your Trezor. So if you have a Trezor, I recommend setting it up with the Yoroi, and you should be able to be ready to go. So next, we're going to choose our destination. That should be done for you. So with Yoroi, one of the unique aspects of that wallet right now is that it will generate or use a destination address. So you can see it right here. So this is one of my unused addresses for my wallet. So we're going to hit next, and we're going to accept the terms and conditions. So now what we're going to do is sign, okay? So you're going to notice one main thing here. You're going to notice 0 ADA. So you're going to continue with null transactions signing, okay? So hit null transaction signing, and you're just going to sign it like a regular transaction. So you're going to select your standard wallet and using your hardware wallet. And again, if you guys want, head over to my link tree. You can pick one up if you are not using one. So now we're going to complete the claim. Okay. And here what you're going to see are the tokens that you are claiming. So here you can download and get a destination address as well as your origin address so you can remember for future uses. So here I've claimed 7,800 night. This is awesome. So if you own a Trezor, I recommend setting it up with Yoroi. I've already had it set up, so it should work if you just connect your Trezor to Yoroi and start using that. You can use that as well as Lace. Give that a shot. But yeah, I've successfully been able to claim my night airdrop, my allocation. So comment down below if you guys were able to do this. Let me know if this tutorial has helped. We will have many more in the future. And with that being said, the moose is loose. Cheers.